for cricket lover. The new format of cricket will take place soon. The T10 Cricket League will have 10-over game for each side with 90 minutes. The league will begin on December 21st and will go until December 24th, at the Sharjah Cricket Stadium in UAE. Popular cricketer will participate in this league like Gayle, Virender Sehwag, Shahid Afridi, Kumar Sangakkara. This tournament has 7 teams: Punjabis, Pakhtoons, Maratha, Banglas, Lankans, Sindhis, and Keralites. The games will be broadcast all over the world, and advertising campaigns will be driven across every media format available. Stay tuned for latest update.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.